Someone just knocked on my bedroom door today. I don't know who it was. When I checked, no one was out there. My dad was in the living room, including Vida. Might have been some ghost thing or demon. Could be a ghost. Did you hear that?